I get a lot of comments saying that I look like Rosé from BLACKPINK, so I'm gonna try out her makeup style today. I searched a bunch of photos of her on Google and I watched a YouTube tutorial, so I think I'm ready to go. I'm using the... look, there's like a lash. Her skin is so nice. Get all these pimples. Okay, I'm gonna use the strobe cream by MAC. I bought all these new things.
Voiceover Kaylee here jumping in because video Kaylee was being a little weird. I'm gonna put the strobe cream on the high points of my face. Once I've done that, I'm gonna put on some foundation.
Apparently Rosé's stylist says that she doesn't really wear very much foundation and that her skin kind of just like spits it out because it's so good already. I was like, wow. Concealer, the good old Maybelline, fit me. I actually never thought I looked like Rosé until people started telling me that in person and online. When they first started saying that, I was like, oh, no way. I look like her. I don't know what you guys are on. Okay, now I'm gonna add some different cushion. Innisfree. Now it's like my old skin. It's just a contour. Haha. I think I need to cover my brows with foundation. Brows are quite light. Mine are like dark half. I tried my best.
Now I'm just swiping some brown eyeshadow on the end of my eye and the inner corner. This is Rosé's signature under eye makeup, so you gotta make sure you have a warm tone shadow underneath your eyes. Now finishing off my eyeshadow with some Sparkle Sparkle on the top of the lid and on the inner corner.
So I think they use black eyeliner. Since I haven't used black eyeliner in a really long time, I'm gonna underconfidently line it with shadow first.
Okay, here she goes. As you can see, I could barely do it on camera.
Okay, that's as good as I can do. Literally my black eyeliner just ran out, like right as I finished.
So let's get a little curl in there. And I'm gonna try to draw my eyebrows a little more straight than they are because Rosé's eyebrows are a little bit more straight.
Onto her nose. This random contour stick from, I don't know.
So Rosé's nose is higher than mine, so I'm trying to add a little bit of dimension to my nose. And I gotta cover my little beak at the front to get a rounder tip, and then some highlight on my nose to try to get even more height. Okay, her lips are seriously different than mine. She has really nice full lips and I really don't. So I'm gonna try my best to make them look more like hers.
I'm back and I put on the same clothes as Rosé. I didn't have a blue shirt, so I wore a white one. Didn't have a gray skirt, so I wore a black one. It's all good though. I also put on a beret because my roots are growing out and COVID's pretty bad in my city, so I don't want to go get my hair done. Hair like this side back.
Okay, this is the moment of truth. That was so fun. Let me know if you want me to try a different idol's makeup next.